How to fix TikTok features missing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if some features are missing on your TikTok. First, head over to your App Store or your Android Play Store and search for TikTok. Now, once on TikTok, make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. Now, if your app isn't updated to the latest version, you'll get the update button or update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. So, make sure your app is up to date because it might be that you haven't updated the app. That's why you are not being able to use the latest feature available on the app. The second thing you can do if your app is updated but still you are not being able to use the feature is head over to your settings. Now you can do so by scrolling down your notification bar, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll find the settings icon. Tap on it and your settings will open up. Now what you want to do is scroll down below and head over to your apps. Once on apps, you can either scroll down and search for TikTok, or you can either search from search bar easily. Here, open TikTok up, and if you scroll down below you'll find the option stories. Now open it up. Now what you want to keep in mind is if you are on iPhone, you'll get an option to offload your app. You just need to offload the app, but make sure your data is backed up. Now since we are on Android here, what we want to do is clear data. That you can see on the bottom of your screen, you'll find the option to clear your data. Tap on it and it will ask for confirmation, and once you delete it, your TikTok app will be resetted. Now what this does is it's basically as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the app without actually doing so. So make sure to back up your data, make sure you have the account information so that you can log in back again. Now once you do this, head over to app and log into your ID, and this should fix the issue and you should be able to use the feature that you were not being able to use before. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.